Hello guys, this is your host and first of all welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. As you can see on your screen, this is the chart of gold according to one day candlestick. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of our video very soon. Okay, so basically this is gold day one. So we as you know, we always started to analysis the gold from a higher frame to low time frame. Okay ji. This is gold and there are two or three things here in this chart is very clear. The things are very clear. First of all, this candle tried to make a strong bullish impact but failed. Okay, keep in mind in forex the closing always matter. This candle, okay, and this candle, these two candles are very similar. This is not a confirmation of bullish, but this is a confirmation of bullish because this is a strong Marubozu candle. What is a Marubozu candle? I have explained you many times, but I can explain it one more time. Okay, so suppose this is a green candle and the candle which has very little spike or no spike is known as a Marubozu candle. If the candle is green, you can imagine and you can hope that the next trend of the market will be in the bullish direction. If this is red, you can imagine the trend in the bearish direction or vice versa. Okay, so basically this candle closing always matters in forex. And plus we have a one more point that if we make a trend line from above direction to above direction just like that, okay, then we have a confirmation of closing already above the trend line, which means this trend line cannot stop from the selling from the buying of gold. Plus we have also a trend line from lower surface to lower surface, and which is very precise. The upper trend line is not authentic, but the lower trend line is 100% authentic. But if we draw the upper trend line as well, then we will realize that this was a strong ascending triangle pattern. What is ascending triangle pattern? In which the prices make the new high above from the previous high. Okay, suppose this is the first high, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So every high, every new high is above from the previous high. Okay, so this is known as a ascending triangle pattern, but these drawing is looking like the benzene rings. Okay, so according to the weekly analysis, the gold is in the strong bullish engulfing pattern and bullish zone. Okay, so let's move to day let's move to day one. The chart is loading and this is the day one of gold. We have a clear cut rejection last time when gold was here, but always remember in forex the closing matters. The gold close above the zone and we can hopeful for a strong bullish engulfing towards the first resistance level, which is known as 4339. Okay, so in according to one day time frame, we have a strong confirmation of buying because of this trend line and because of this zone. Okay, okay, so this zone is very important. This was acting as a support strong resistance level, but gold has successfully broke it. Not only broke it, also gave a strong bullish Marubozu candle. So now you can hope that this will be acting as a first resistance level. Okay, but in my opinion the gold can engulf this time very the gold can engulf this time very easily without even unused. Okay, so according to daily time frame, I am also looking for the bullish move. Plus this trend line is the key. You have to wait for the trend line. Yeah, if bad luck happen and the market may retrace towards this trend line, but always remember this trend line is the key. You have to enter again and again in the bullish pattern once the market test this trend line or hold above the trend line. Okay, so let's move to H4 so we can find out many more minor details in the pair of gold. Okay, so this is H4, and in H4 the condition is very similar. If we draw a trend line from that area to that area and from lower area to lower area. Okay, so this is a structure of trend line that we are getting. And again, the if the market is trying to move in a pair of trend lines, then the next target will be 4320. If market reverse or retrace from that side, then we can enter selling, or we can imagine selling toward the 50% of the new trend line. Okay, so this will be a new trend line from lower zone to lower zone. The market can retest this 4220, and then if market holds it, you can open your trades towards the first rejection level, and this will be the 100% call of the gold. Okay, so H4 candle, many we have find one or two more minor details. So yeah, this is a trend line pattern we have right now. Okay, sorry, this is the trend line pattern we have right now first, and the major trend line from lower side to lower side. Okay, there are two conditions now. The gold can retrace towards this trend line, then a bullish move, or the gold can hold on that trend line and then it can give a strong bullish zone. Okay, now H1 plus, if you can imagine, if you can see, this is also a strong Morobozo candle, bullish engulfing candle that engulf the zone of 4189. So yeah, I am hoping for the more buying coming in the next week. And if we draw a trend line again in the H4 time frame, just like that, and a low trend line just like that, this is a strong triangle pattern break by the market. And now you can hope that this support level will act, this resistance level will act as a support level. The gold can sorry, the gold can jump exactly from that, or maybe it will open with a gap, or then it will may maybe it will retrace on that structure and then it will go up. So this was a brief introduction about gold and Forex Planet. If you enjoy this structure and if you find this very helpful for you, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get more trading and informational based video from our platform. Thank you very much.
Forex Planet.